Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey Emma, how's it going?
Hey Alex. Not bad, just trying to get better at English. You?
Same here. English can be tricky sometimes.
Totally. I was thinking about some of those contractions we use. They make stuff easier, right?
Oh yeah, for sure. Like, instead of want to, we say wanna. Makes talking so much faster.
Haha, exactly. And got to becomes gotta. Like, I gotta go to the store.
Or don't know turns into dunno. I dunno what to do next.
Lemme guess, you're gonna say let me is lemme, right?
You got it. It's like, why use two words when one will do the trick?
True that. It's kind of fun once you get the hang of it. Makes conversations flow better.
Yeah, but sometimes it's hard to remember all of them. Got any tricks?
I try to think of how people actually speak. Like, nobody says I am going to the park. They say, I'm going to the park.
Oh, that's a good one. What about you all? I hear y'all a lot.
Y'all is super common, especially in the South. It's like the ultimate contraction.
Huh, right. And out of becomes outta, like I'm outta here.
Exactly. It's almost like a secret code. But it's just everyday talk for native speakers.
And come on is come on. Like, come on, it's easy once you know it.
Yeah, English has so many shortcuts. It's like a language hack.
Totally. Oh, have you heard this one? Why did the scarecrow become an English teacher?
No, why?
'Cause he was outstanding in his field.
Haha, good one, Alex. English jokes are the best.
Yeah, they help me remember stuff. So, what else do you find tricky?
Sometimes I mix up coulda, shoulda, and woulda. They all sound kinda similar.
Yeah, they do. But think of it like this. Coulda is could have, like, I coulda gone to the party.
Right, and shoulda is should have. Like, I shoulda studied more.
And woulda is would have. I woulda called you, but my phone died.
Gotcha. It's like they're all regrets or missed chances. Makes sense now.
Exactly. And then there's gonna, which is going to. Like, I'm gonna watch a movie tonight.
Yeah, that one's easy. Oh, and kind of for kind of. I'm kinda tired.
Or sorta for sort of. This is sorta confusing.
You're right. It's just a matter of practicing.
Totally. And the more you listen to native speakers, the more you pick up on it.
Yeah, like in movies or TV shows. They use these contractions all the time.
Exactly. It's like a fun way to learn. Plus, you get to enjoy a good story.
Speaking of stories, got another joke?
Sure. Why did the student eat his homework?
Dunno. Why?
'Cause the teacher said it was a piece of cake.
Haha, nice one. You're on a roll today.
Glad you liked it. Jokes make learning so much more fun.
Totally. So, any other contractions you think are useful?
Oh, how about ain't? It's kinda informal, but people use it a lot. Like, I ain't got no time.
Yeah, I've heard that one. It's like am not or is not. Pretty versatile.
Right. And whatcha for what are you or what have you? Like, whatcha doin' later?
Oh, that's a good one. Makes everything sound so casual.
Exactly. And when you hear it, you feel more comfortable using it yourself.
For sure. It's like learning the slang makes you feel more part of the group.
Yeah, it's like a secret club. Oh, have you heard this one? What do you call fake spaghetti?
No, what?
An impasta.
Haha, that's hilarious. You're full of jokes today.
Gotta keep things fun, right? So, how do you practice your English?
I try to chat with friends and watch a lot of English shows. And I read too.
That's awesome. Mixing it up keeps it interesting.
Definitely. And talking to you helps a lot, too.
Same here, Emma. It's all about practice and having fun with it.
Yep, and with friends like you, learning is a blast.
Right back at ya. Ready for one more joke?
Always.
Why did the computer go to the doctor?
I dunno, why?
'Cause it had a virus.
Haha, good one. Thanks, Alex. This has been so much fun.
Anytime, Emma. Let's keep practicing and having a laugh.
For sure. Catch you later.
See ya.